Africa. The only reason why Africa is left in the dark is because Nigeria is still in the dark. And the only reason why Nigeria is in the dark is because you and I are still in the dark. The only way you and I can come out from the dark is when you and I value our resources, our capacity, combine them and create sustainable solutions that empower our communities. Do you see? Community sustainability and empowerment, they go hand in hand, right? So what are the achievements of Africa Wealth Initiative? We received grants from Tony Elumelu, the European Union, and from the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development. So when you talk about Tony Elumelu, you are looking at a big entrepreneurship organization. So this is a testament to our entrepreneurship capacity and achievements over the years. When you talk about global acclaim, European Union. So in terms of our global impact, the European Union has seen our impact and has given us a grant. When you talk about national impact, the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development is a national ministry. So when you look at Africa Wealth Initiative, it is a community you want to belong to because we are doing what it will take to get Africa to the next level, and each individual can leverage on it. So each and every one of you has an opportunity to leverage whatever Africa Wealth Initiative is doing to get to their peak. What about awards? So the Founder Institute is the largest pre-seed accelerator in the world. The Founder Institute is a partner of Africa Wealth. Techstars has said that Africa Wealth Initiative is among the 20 companies that are going to transform the economies of Africa. They didn't talk about agricultural economy, they talked about economy, because our economy in Africa is basically hinged on agriculture. We have 60% of the world's arable land. If we understand what we are doing, we feed the world indirectly, because all the raw materials that we produce here is what is used to create most of the finished products in terms of food across the world. 90% of all the yams that the world eats, do you know what they use yam for? A lot of things are produced in Africa. 90% produced in Africa. That's just one crop. I don't want to talk about the others, right? We4A, this is a Women for Entrepreneurship program. They've said that Africa Wealth Initiative is the key to economic development in Africa. What are the infrastructures we've been able to build? We have a food processing hub in Fiditi in Afidjo local government in Oyo State. A food processing hub that is ready for any entrepreneur. We don't charge, it's free. If you want to process any food, please be our guest. Talk to us. We teach you, and then we help you to get to the world. Like I said, one of my core strategies. So I hope you build a strategy. We have lands, and these lands, we bought them for entrepreneurs to utilize. So you want to produce anything, come. We're ready to give you land to produce. Technology, we've built technology platforms. Our technology platform, Farm on Your Phone and Farm to Table, is ready. Immediately you enroll in this pre-startup academy, you start making money from day one if you are ready, because Farm to Table offers you that opportunity. And Rebecca here will show you how to do that. We have a small fleet of supply chain vehicles for agro-logistics because, of course, you have to move goods from one place to the other. That's our infrastructure. Social impact. We have trained over 10,000 farmers and young individuals in agribusiness practice. We have distributed over 10,000 tons of food across Nigeria. We have funded projects to the worth of over 10 million naira across Nigeria, especially in the south of Nigeria. We have facilitated over 100 scholarships for young agripreneurs. We have given over 1,000 tons of food free to people, and supplies, not just food, and supplies to people. What are our current projects? From the Agribusiness Academy, one of the things you get as you enroll, you are enrolled into the talent marketplace. What does that mean? Whatever, when we talk about agriculture, a lot of people just think hoes and cutlass and planting and food processing, and that's where it ends, or agro-logistics. No. No. There's research, right? There's technology, huge, very fast. There's AI in agriculture. There's precision agriculture. There's so many things, right? There's coding in agriculture. In fact, agriculture, for me, is the largest sector, right? The largest industry in the world, because the number of career opportunities in agriculture outpaces any other sector in the world or industry in the world. So there's so much. So we can help you. First of all, help you bring out who you are, help you bring out your energy. Then we'll channel your purpose so that you can become the powerhouse that you need to be for your community and for your family, right? The AWI residency, this is a plan we're giving to those that are ready to build their own agribusiness. They want to become the Elon Musk of Africa. They want to become the Dangote of Africa. They want to become the Rabiu Samad of Africa, right? We are offering them residencies in our farm lodges and offering them free access to land, food hub, market, training to start whatever they want to start. So they are never left alone. They are held by the hand to get to where they want to get to. Mind you, like I said, we have a lot of partners, and I'm going to be mentioning the partners. So again, those of you here today, you have a privilege, because the first thing we do when we finalize our projects is we come to our community and share with our community. You cannot find the banner of this program online. You cannot. But after these sessions, it's going to go online because we have to share it with others. But the first thing we do is we share it with our community so that, remember our values, community, so that you get it firsthand. Not taking action now is not left to us anymore, it's left to you. So the Succes study tour, of course, the Succes study tour started last year, and you will see testimonials. The videos are being edited by the media team. Succes is an integrated farming model and is a huge, mind-changing narrative for those that visit, right? Green Cities Initiative and Agribusiness Elevate. This project, the AWI Agribusiness Pre-Startup School, is a program of the Agribusiness Elevate project. The Agribusiness Elevate project is to empower agribusiness foundations. So if you are ready to build an agribusiness company, the Agribusiness Elevate is for you. And we start to nurture, mentor, support, empower you from the Agribusiness Pre-Startup School to any stage you want to get to, right? So these are our current projects. So we welcome you to join us. So I was talking about the Founder Institute. This is the world's largest pre-seed accelerator. They are partners to what we are doing. Now, let's quickly jump into how do you start to leverage these opportunities. This is the time for action. Enough of talking. Access and technology. Everything is technology today. Everything is online. Everything is virtual. Agriculture has gone virtual. Agriculture has become a business, a thriving business. Until we stop seeing agriculture and face it as a business, we will not get anywhere in agriculture. This is very important, very, very important. So today, I can tell you that we have finalized opportunities to get you what you need to start up what you need to start up. So I know there's nothing that can be built without financial resources, and let us be straight about that. Money answereth all things. Money solves the most important problems. So first step is Agribusiness Pre-Startup School, to understand your energy and your purpose, then analyze your market, then understand how your business will be sustainable, then you're financed, because now you can move. And that is basically the process that we've developed. We first of all open your mind, we empty your cup, we fill your cup back with the right information. You become that inexhaustible energy source, ready to conquer the world. Then we ask you, what is your purpose? We help you fine-tune and get the focus on your purpose. After you have understood your focus, we help you build a strategy by analyzing the market so that you understand, this is my target. I've been running up and down, thinking that everywhere is not my target. This is my target, and I can achieve everything I want to achieve with this target. We'll help you fine-tune that. Then we sit down and we do what? We calculate, we do your financials, and we fund you. This is what we have brought to each and every one of you.